अशी खंयचीच गोष्ट सांगचो ना जेतूनसून इन्क्वायरीक बाधो येतलो समजलें पुलिसांनी कसलीं पावलां उडयलीं आनी कितें चल्लां हें खूब जाणांक दिसता कितें हांव उलयत ना म्हणून 2 दीस जाले कित्याक पूण म्हाका दिसता की हांव जर उलोवंक गेलो जाल्यार तें
So, but there was a demand in your meeting of all the MLAs
No,
that inquiry should be done as
all
soon as
are of the opinion that the culprits should be identified and booked as early as possible. आणि ताच्या खातीर CBIक दिवंक जाय जाल्यार CBIक दिवप हांव 1-2 दिसान म्हाका प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट 2-3 दिसान मेळोंक जाय
मागीर CBI दितले.
हय हय
सगळ्या आमदारांनी एक ठराव पास केला की ही जी हे आसा सीलिंग आणि हे बाकीचे ते सगळे CBI कडेन केसीस दिवच्यो
कितले ताबडतोब रिपोर्ट करता
आनी येणाऱ्या एका ते धाडून दितले आता सगळे रिजोल्युशन घेतला ते MLA आणि मिनिस्टर्स
So, CBI केन्ना धाडटलो तुमी
आता रोखडे धाडटलो CM धाडटलो
So, but
They are using Wilfred Mishkita to speak. Poor Wilfred Mishkita, he doesn't know what he's talking. By telling that Congress has done, it doesn't absolve them of their corruption charges on them. It is very clear that it is a continuation, that if Congress had given, it was Manohar Parrikar's duty to see that it is cancelled. Otherwise, they should come clear that the major part of the Louis Berger has been when, in fact, MOPA was commissioned. In fact, the process started when Manohar Parrikar came. The JICA started when Manohar Parrikar came. Could have set things in order, and not only that, he had every right when he was the chief minister. He made a statement that in the house that I have saved 40 crores and this and that. I think they are all blind lies. That it looks like it was set even further. Now, I think the whole scam has to be scrutinized. Everybody, whoever is involved, has to be brought in book. The people of Goa want to know who is involved. Exactly, they want to know what has transpired. It is a scam which they have brought out, and now more papers have been given by the BJP. I think BJP should stop all the work. Should stop all the work of MOPA, should work all the work of wherever Louis Berger is involved, and see that the whole scam, the whole issue has been sorted out before the assembly. In the assembly, we will raise it up.